So students, let's start solving question number 3 of exercise 2.4. Now we will solve question number 3 of exercise 2.4. Question number 3 is find, and its first part is 7 upon 3 divided by 2. So let's solve this first part of question number 3. First part of question number 3 is 7 upon 3 divided by 2. To simplify the question, we will just put 1 as a denominator under this 2. Now our question will become 7 upon 3 divided by 2 upon 1. As I told you earlier that this division sign will be converted into multiplication sign and the fraction after it, that is 2 upon 1, reciprocal of 2 upon 1 will be taken. So reciprocal of 2 upon 1 is 1 upon 2. And this division sign is converted into multiplication sign. Now 7 upon 3 is multiplied by 1 upon 2. So numerator is multiplied by numerator and denominator is multiplied by denominator. So 7 into 1 that is equal to 7 and 3 into 2 that is equal to 3 2s are 6. Now our fraction will become 7 upon 6. This improper fraction will be converted into mixed fraction, and our mixed fraction is 1 integer 1 upon 6, and this is the answer of first part of question number 3. Students, I will solve fifth part of question number 3, and that is 3 integer 1 upon 2 divided by 4. Let's solve part 5th of question number 3, and that is 3 integer 1 upon 2 divided by 4. First I will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 that is equal to 7 upon 2, and then I will put 1 as a denominator under this 4 to simplify the question. Now I will convert this division into multiplication and reciprocal of 4 upon 1 will be taken. So reciprocal of 4 upon 1 is 1 upon 4. Now our question will become 7 upon 2 multiplied by 1 upon 4. Now according to the formula, 7 is multiplied by 1 and 2 is multiplied by 4. 7 into 1 upon 2 into 4. 7 ones are 7 and 2 fours are, that is equal to 8. And this is the answer of fifth part of question number 3. Students, part 2, part 3, part 4 and part 6, that you have to do it yourself as a homework. Now students, we will solve question number 4 of exercise 2.4, and that is find. First part is 2 upon 5 divided by 1 upon 2. First part of question number 4 is 2 upon 5 divided by 1 upon 2. This division sign will be converted into multiplication sign and reciprocal of the fraction after it, that is 1 upon 2, that will be taken. And reciprocal of 1 upon 2 is 2 upon 1. Now our question will become 2 upon 5 multiplied by 2 upon 1. Now numerator is multiplied by numerator and denominator is multiplied by denominator. So 2 into 2 upon 5 into 1. 2 2s are 4 and 5 1s are, that is equal to 5. So our answer will be 4 upon 5. Second part of question number 4 is 4 upon 9 divided by 2 upon 3. Let's solve second part of question number 4, that is 4 upon 9 divided by 2 upon 3. This division sign will be converted into multiplication sign and reciprocal of 2 upon 3 will be taken. So reciprocal of 2 upon 3 that is equal to 3 upon 2. Now our question will become 4 upon 9 multiplied by 3 upon 2. Now we will cancel this 4 by 2, that is 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. Now our question will be 2 into 1 upon 3 into 1. See, 2 into 1 upon 3 into 1. Now 2 1s are that is equal to 2 and 3 ones are that is equal to 3. So our answer is 2 upon 3. So we can say that answer of second part of question number 4 is 2 upon 3. Let's solve fourth part of question number 4, that is 2 integer 1 upon 3 is divided by 3 upon 5. Now students, we will solve part 4 of question number 4 exercise 2.3, and that is 2 integer 1 upon 3 divided by 3 upon 5. First we will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. For that we will multiply 3 into 2 plus 1. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 that is equal to 7 upon 3 divided by 3 upon 5. Then we will convert this division sign into multiplication sign, and reciprocal of the fraction 3 upon 5 will be taken. So reciprocal of 3 upon 5 is 5 upon 3. Now 7 upon 3 multiplied by 5 upon 3. Now according to the formula, numerator is multiplied by numerator and denominator is multiplied by denominator. So 7 into 5 upon 3 into 3. 7 5s are that is equal to 35 and 3 into 3 that is equal to 9. Now our fraction will become 35 upon 9. Now we will convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction by dividing 35 by 9. 9 3s are 27. Our mixed fraction will be 3 integer 8 upon 9. And this is the answer of fourth part of question number 4 exercise 2.3. Now part 6 of question number 4 is 2 upon 5 divided by 1 integer 1 upon 2. Let's solve sixth part of question number 4, that is 2 upon 5 divided by 1 integer 1 upon 2. As you know, first we will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 2 ones are 2 plus 1 that is equal to 3 upon. Let's solve sixth part of question number 4, that is 2 upon 5 divided by 1 integer 1 upon 2. First we will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, that is 2 ones are 2 plus 1 that is 3 upon 2. So 2 upon 5 divided by 3 upon 2. This divide will be converted into multiplication and reciprocal of 3 upon 2 will be taken. Reciprocal of 3 upon 2 is 2 upon 3. Now our question will become 2 upon 5 multiplied by 2 upon 3. That is equal to 2 into 2 upon 5 into 3. 2 2s are 4 and 5 3s are 15. And this is the answer of sixth part of question number 4. Now let's solve seventh part of question number 4, that is 3 integer 1 upon 5 divided by 1 integer 2 upon 3.